Melissa, personal stylist of These Curves Are Mine, and today I'm coming to you with a styling video. I am going to be talking about 3 easy prints that are very easy to style, and this is how we're going to do it. First, I'm going to tell you about what those 3 prints are and check into your closet, see if it's something that you actually have, and if you do, use these tips to make it very easy to style and create new looks. First pattern that you should probably or typically have in your closet is actually stripes. Stripes are very common styles. They go with everything, they fit everyone, and there's different variations of stripes, but they're always a great pattern that you can style. Florals are a girl's best friend. They're not grandma-ish, they're not old lady. Actually, florals are very feminine, and they add a different element to your look and a little flirtiness. And so I love florals because it's a great way to add color, and I'm sure many of you may have at least one floral piece in your closet, and today I'll give you some tips on how you can style that as well. And last but not least, polka dots. Polka dots are another great print and a very typical print that many people have in their closet. I know not everyone is a polka dot person, but I am, and I know many other people that are polka dot people. And if you aren't, maybe you want to try to invest in a polka dot piece when I show you different ways that you can style it. Tip number 1, whenever styling patterns, try to go with one color in that pattern. If you want some contrast and you want something a little bit different, you can always choose the less dominant color in that print. As you can see here in this mood board that I created with the look, you can see how I've been able to take one color in that pattern and actually make it work for the look. A second way that you can do this is by choosing the dominant color to create your look as well. So here I have a black and white print, and I'm topping it with a black button-down shirt. That's another way that you can style the look. Second ways you can style prints is that you can flip the colors that you coordinate. So for example, here in this image, black and white prints, you can try for a solid colored top that you love, or if you're wearing a colored print, black and white always works, no matter what. The third style tip I have is that you should always use metals for your accessories whenever you're wearing prints. The reason why I say this is because you're already wearing so much color, and so you always want to make sure you don't look too overbearing, and so using metals actually brings out the look, jazzes up the look without competing with the colors that you're wearing. And fourth, denim is always a great foundation. Everybody has a pair of jeans, so if all else fails, if you have any of these 3 prints in your wardrobe, throw them on with your favorite pair of jeans, throw them on with a denim jacket or a denim skirt, and you are set to go. I hope you guys enjoyed these 4 tips that I provided to help you style 3 easy prints that are in your wardrobe. If they're not in your wardrobe, maybe this is inspiration for you to actually try them out. Anyways, I will be back again with more style videos, and I want you to remember to stay beautiful and fashionable, and always remember to do it your way. You can find me on thesecurvesaremine.com.